Which one is the best seller?
This one, the mango, the yellow one, and the other one, the pistachio, is also the.
This is the historic tea room, guys. Talagang pinipilahan yan. Guys, we're back in the city of Melbourne. Nice weather today. It's Sunday. So may nakita tayong bagong papasukan dito sa city, guys. Mag-Melbourne walk tayo. New discovery here in the city of Melbourne. Oh, si School Panda. It's cute. It's a Pop Mart. Okay, let's go inside.
Hi guys, how are
Bye. Let's have a look here. Ang cute nila, oh. Mahilig ba kayo sa ganito? Ako nakikyutan lang ako dito. Yeah, this is cute.
What's this one?
Maliit na arcade lang ito, guys. Oh, maganda rin siya. Tapos lang dito ma-build tong area na to. Guys, kung nandito kayo sa pinaka-center ng city, may Hotel Indigo dito sa loob. Kaharap lang siya ng Myer. Pasukin nyo lang yung Melbourne Walk. So ito, makikita nyo dito yung Hotel Indigo and meron ding Holiday Inn. Ang gandang location dito. Mas maganda yung location. Nandito na kayo sa pinaka-city ng Melbourne. Yan, that's the Holiday Inn entrance. Ang daming mga shops dito. Bago lang ito, guys. So, check it out. Pasok tayo sa Collins Arcade. May little cafe rin dito, guys. So, yeah, yellow. Hi. Thank you. Not yet. So, it's my first time to, just, walk past here.
So here's the mango.
Which
and
one is the best seller?
This one, the mango, the yellow one, and the other one, the pistachio, is also the best
Oh,
seller.
that's the love macaroons. Alright, I'll come back. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The yellow.
The yellow. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. New discovery, guys. For desserts. Meron ding meme ko dito, oh. And si Tommy. Si Tommy nag 50% off today. So let's have a look here. They have bar and grill. Let's enter the Black Arcade. Ang ganda ng building nila, oh. Popular itong cafe na to, talagang pinipilahan ito. This is the historic tea room, guys.
Feels cool.
Look at all the sweets, the cakes. Smells good. Smells so good. So, ang ganda guys, oh. Centerway Arcade. New designs. Kung mahilig kayo magpagawa ng mga nails, guys, nandito yung mga ano nila. They're so cute. Oh, this is nice. Oh, they have all the designs here.
I work in the city, so yeah. But yeah, even if I could change it for just a small size. Yeah, sure. Then that would be
I'll let him know.
yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh, that's fantastic.
But I like the plain one, guys. This is the Melbourne shop by. So this is going through Centerway Arcade. It's a long walk from here. Oh, they also have a Japanese shop here. What is that? Mochi?
Pinapackage siya.
Oh, you want some?
Yep. Hindi na. Punta muna tayo Japan. Nagtatakin tayo.
Okay, we're going back to Japan just for these. So nice. Guys, kung mahilig kayo ng matcha warabi mochi. Ito yung shop Torori. Cafe Torta. Another alley of coffee.
Oh my god, the coffee is like cooking.
Good, thank you.
That's a
We are now in Royal Arcade, guys. More on coffee shop din dito. Oh, this is my favorite. The macarons.
Oh, napunta lang
They ring the bell. Guys, so many to discover here in Melbourne. Pati yung mga restaurants na akala mo walang mga kainan. Meron pala. Mga singit-singit ng ano, yung mga alley ng Melbourne. Galing.
But something like this door.
They offer Italian food here. This is Trattoria Italiana restaurant. That's the end of our arcade tour, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.